What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be looking at the Dome Glass, tempered glass for the Nintendo Switch. And it's a perfect time because my son did something crazy to his Nintendo Switch. And luckily that it had a tempered glass before, but it's good to replace it just to look a little fresh and not to get any worse. Might hit the glass itself on the screen for the Nintendo Switch. So the Dome Glass, tempered glass package brings two of them bad boys in there. And let's open it up and let's see what we get inside. What we get inside, we get, like I said, we got packaging, the two tempered glass itself, cool, little microfiber cloth to clean it off, and little wipe pad or wiping cloth, whatever you want to call it, and the little sticker to try to remove. We got two of them, and the little sticker to remove any debris after you wipe it down to make sure that you don't get no debris underneath. So the installment is pretty easy. Hopefully y'all done it before, but if y'all haven't, let's do a walk through. So we're just gonna try to take the one that he already has on it. Like I said, remember this is glass, so you gotta be very careful. See how it's cracking? And just throw it away as soon as you get it. Like I could tell, tempered glass protect your glass. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. So y'all should definitely get it. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down below. So let's wipe that down real quick to make sure we have the cleanest surface to put the brand new tempered glass. Wipe it down. Make sure you hit all the corners. And if you need to do it again, do it again. It's no rush. Now we're gonna use this little sticker thing just to try to take some of the debris that I could see. And if you can't see it, it's cool. Just try to take as much as you can off. Alright, so after you're done cleaning it off, you take your tempered glass out of the package, and it's gonna tell you back. So what we're gonna do is, it's pretty simple. Just try to line it up as best as you can. The little notch in the bottom, go towards the bottom. So what I usually do is I go halfway. I will line it up with the screen of the edge. Then little by little, just as much as you can. It don't gotta be perfect. Just try to protect the skin, protect the cover, and you're good to go. Simple as that. You might have a little bubble. All you gotta do is just move it around, but you're good to go. Brand new. You got a brand new tempered glass screen. It guarantee you probably like 95% of the time that the screen underneath is not gonna do nothing to it, and the tempered glass is good to go. So if y'all stayed to the end, very end of the video, I didn't put no title letting people know that it's a giveaway, but DomeGlass gave me an extra kit to give away to one of my subscribers. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, let me know in the comment below, or hit me at my Twitter or Instagram. We're like, hey Kartoon, I want to enter your giveaway for the tempered glass for the Nintendo Switch, and you're in. But you have to be subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you will not be entered. So I hope this video is very helpful, knowing that they are tempered glass, good tempered glass for your Nintendo Switch or your kids, nephew, nieces, whoever, or just in general. Like I say, any product that has a screen and you're able to get a tempered glass, get it. But I will leave a link down below for this dome glass, tempered glass for the Nintendo Switch. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button. Also subscribe. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.